Bum bum bum. Anybody at home?
Uncle, good afternoon.
Olanma, my beautiful daughter. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, Uncle.
Good. You're actually looking good. So where's my sister? Is she around?
Yes, she's around. Let me call her.
Yes. Tell her la family arrived. Call her for me.
Okay. Mama! Mama! Uncle is here. Mama! Mama, is this the money they gave to you from selling the land? Mama, you and I know that this is not the money they realized from selling the land.
Of course not. According to your uncle, we are even lucky. Other people involved does not want to give us anything after all they have spent on my hospital bill.
Which hospital bill, Mama? How much did they pay?
Olanma.
Mama, this is pure wickedness and you know it. This is not what my grandfather ever wanted.
Olanma, please. I don't want to talk. My head is aching me.
So what are we supposed to do with this money, Mama? The money is not even enough to start up business.
Olanma, you know, getting angry will not solve any problem. Good evening, Mom. You're already picking the beans?
Yes, Mama. I told you now that many of our customers used to complain that we don't used to open in the evening when they are coming back from work, that they used to feel very hungry and they will not see us to buy something from. So I now thought it twice that it is better for us. Maybe after selling the morning, we'll come and sell in the evening. If they are coming back from work, like many of our customers, they are bachelors. Oh. They are bachelors. So they will be hungry, nobody to cook for them in the house. At least if they are coming back, they will buy potato. If they don't buy potato, they will buy yam. If they don't buy yam, they will buy akara and bread. At least we're not attached us.
So you are serious about selling in the evening? Business tycoon. Hey!
Mama, leave me alone, please.
Olanma.
Mama, stop it, stop it. I don't like it when you hail me. Stop it.
I couldn't have prayed for a better daughter.
Mama,
You
stop.
are beautiful in and out. Eh?
Mama, stop. I don't used to like it when you heal me. Stop it. Eh? Stop it.
Really, girl. As if you don't like it when I praise you. Well, let me go and shower and get ready for evening.
Mama, it's already evening. Who you get ready? It's already evening. Just go and dress up. Because once I'm done now, I'll go and grind these beans. If I blend it now.
I'm tired. Okay, now let me go. Let me rest. Let me relax more.
Mama, relax more. Your own is just... I'm taking my bath already. You just take your... Okay, you need to take your bath. Me, at least this... Now, why is my clothes still smelling smoke?
There's a problem, sir.
What happened?
Okay, na madam, What happened to Nancy?
Since morning, he so fight. Blast boost. Break, boom. Break, fight, scatter things for us since morning like this. Even till now, so I see the year, bush, back bush,
All right.
boom.
I'm coming.
Okay, you dey go inside. That's what somebody don't break your head, though. What's that? It's not small, though.
How dare you call me stupid? How dare you use that word on me? Have you gone mad, Nancy?
You're crazy, you're mad.
Obie!
And I'm tired of you. I'm tired of this relationship, Obie. I'm tired.
You're calling me crazy. You're calling me mad. You want me to show you madness? What's wrong with you?
Obie!
I'm tired of this relationship. I can't deal with it. I'm tired. I'm going, I'm leaving. I'm tired of you. I'm sick of
Obie!
rubbish. I'm tired.
Obie!
Eddie, what are you doing here?
I was...
Save it! You can go in dating. Nonsense.
Nancy.
Monitoring spirit. Stupid people. Coffee at the same time.
Yeah, what's happening now? I'll tell you about it. Come on. Still has scattered my house. Honey, not again. It's just
You know, this is not the end of the world. You can get over this, you know.
Chidi, why do I always have to get over something or someone? Why? Why is it so difficult for me to find the right woman to fall in love with, in spite of how much I try? Why do I end up always falling in love with these crazy, mad girls and Ndala everywhere? Why?
Bro, please, I want you to calm down. You understand? I feel your pain.
Chidi, you don't understand. Don't tell me you understand. Don't tell me you feel my pain, because you don't. Bro, you and I know that you've not even been through... You've never experienced this pain that I'm feeling right now. You've not even been through half of it. So don't tell me that you feel my pain. Don't tell me you don't feel it.
Obie.
Bro, I'm 36 years old. Fucking 36 years old, and I am so ready. You understand me? I'm financially, I'm psychologically, I'm emotionally, I'm spiritually ready to settle down and start a family. But I just can't seem to get this falling in love thing right. I just can't seem to find the right woman for me. Why?
See, Obie, your true love is out there. And I believe that one day you will definitely meet her.
Bro, that's what you keep saying, man. That's what you keep saying. And that's what you said when Victoria slept with my cousin. That's what you said when Adana took all the money I gave her to start that business and traveled abroad. That's what you said when Chika was up to her own antics. Huh? Or is it Cynthia? Should I keep going? Should I keep mentioning names?
See, Obie, I understand your point. See, it pains me to see you like this. And if there was a way I could spare you this pain, you know I would have. But I want you to take things easy. Please.
In fact, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done with the whole thing. I'm done with trying to find love. Since love will continue to elude me no matter how hard I try, then it's not for me and I'm done.
Welcome, Gente. You can't just give up on love. You know.
Says who? Why can't I? I'm done, no.
I know you're just hot. Yes, you're just hot. That's why you're saying all this. You are hot.
I'm serious, bro. I'm done. since love has decided to elude me, no matter how hard I try, then let me date my lane and let women date their own lane. You feel me? I date my lane, then date their lane. I focus on what's important to me. I'm done with the whole thing.
Hey, Obiwa mama. That means a man then now watch a pipe. No more getting laid, right? Is that what you're telling me?
What's wrong with this one? What do you mean no more getting laid? I said I'm no longer interested in love. You're talking about getting laid. Do I have to be in love to get laid? Is that not what you have been enjoying? You this scoundrel. Clearing the whole bushes in the whole village and the whole city and the whole town. And you're just, that's why you can't feel what I'm feeling, as I told you. So I'm gonna be like you now.
See, Obie, you can hate women all you want, but you can't get rid of them. At least, not completely. You gonna watch a pipe and walk gonna change your man.
Okay. But I'm done with love. Seriously. I'm not joking.
Thank you for it. Okay, if you say so, man, go for my. You want to watch a pipe? I know you. But it's okay, it's okay.
Oh, Malichamu.
Good evening. What do you want to buy?
Akara. Akara 100 naira.
100.
Yeah.
It's 300.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, you can.
Ha! We don't have change, your bros. We don't have change.
You can keep the change.
No. Don't need it.
You can keep it.
We don't need it, bros.
Thank you, my son.
Anyway,
thank you very much.
Don't mention.
Hey, bros, you will fall. This is gutter. First, turn front and be going now. So, yeah. So you know go ahead. Good night, sir. Mama, I don't understand. Are you not begging or what?
Same market.
I better of this.
It remains small, it never dry.
Oh, wow. This one they us.
This one,
yes.
This one, they
Give me 100.
I'll give you how much?
100.
You come and start peeling this thing. You come and start peeling this potato.
100 naira.
Wow. Nice. Wow. Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm going crazy.
You are gifted in culinary skills. No wonder that your akara business is booming and booming, because it is not just ordinary akara you are frying. There are other experiences you have brought into the akara business. That's why it is booming. You remember I told you?
You told me again.
I told you not to bother about the money you were given. That money is not everything. Yes. Look at it now. You are a business owner.
Maz.
Doing better than most people.
Maz, you said you wanted to tell me something important.
Yes. It's actually about Olanma.
Olanma kwa?
Yes, about Olanma. Yeah, of course, you are sounding this way because you have not been looking at her to understand that she has actually grown. She has grown to the extent that she is now qualified for people to sit down and be discussing about her.
Okay.
Yes, and that's what I'm saying. In fact, let me just put it in a very simple way. Has anybody come to ask for her hand in marriage?
Marriage kwa?
Yes, marriage kwa. As if you don't know that Olanma has become a big girl. She is matured now. If you're looking at, you can see that she's beginning to have wings. She's beginning to have all other properties, all other things that make a woman a woman. And then she should be married. You understand what big people are already talking, and that is why I want us to hold this meeting. Because I wouldn't want history to repeat itself.
So what? I will talk to her about it.
No, you have to be very urgent about what. Be very urgent. You understand? Because you may not have time, but we are the people that have time. We have people that are giving us information of what is happening. People are talking in their secret places, and I want Olanma to be married so that nothing will happen. Had it been she had proper upbringing, nobody will be bothered, nobody will be worried, because she would have known all the things that she's supposed to know. But because she didn't have this proper upbringing, that's why we must get involved to guide her so that history will not repeat itself, like I said already.
Mazichod, I said I've heard you. I will talk to her. I will discuss with my daughter, please.
Okay, I agree. I believe you. But once again, I must have to say that you are a very wonderful cook.
Thank you. Mama. Oh, Malicham. Eh? Mama, do you know you are sensible? Imal.
Mama, what is it? What did I do again?
Look at the money we are making since we started selling money at night. We now have plenty money.
Mama, you like money too much.
Well, you know.
I told you, Mama. I told you. At least if we sell in the morning, we'll come back in the night. So that people that are coming back from work will patronize us. And you see, we'll be making sense. It's God and wisdom.
Ma, you did, Mom. Thank you very much. You see this your head? This your head is full of senses.
Mama, thank you. It's already getting late, so workers will still be more. I want to do this again.
And so that we can finish on time and go.
What kind of life is this? Since when did it become a crime to be responsible? I mean, why can't I find a good woman that can be mine forever? Am I destined to be alone? Or am I expected to enter the streets and become one of those guys that jumps from one girl to another? I have a feeling that's the only way to avoid this pain, this emptiness, this loneliness.
My call me. Yes, my daughter, sit down. There's something important for me to talk to you about. What is it, Mama?
Mama, I don't know if you know how beautiful you are. You are not only beautiful, you are kind, humble, and well-mannered. Why is it that I don't see you with any man? I know suitors are coming. Why are you chasing them away?
Mami Ibiakwa, what do you mean I am chasing them away? How?
Are you friending anyone that I don't know?
No, I am not dating anybody.
That is exactly my point. You are a woman. And I know better than anyone how time doesn't wait for us.
Mama, what are you saying?
Olanma, it is time for you to start looking at people that are looking at you. You will not stay young or stay with me forever.
Mama, are you chasing me away?
Never. See, what I want is for you to be happy. Get married and have your own children. Children that will take care of you the way you have been taking care of me all these years.
Yeah? Mama, I am happy. I am very, very happy. And I will get married at the right time.
When will that be?
When I find the one I love.
Love is not the best criteria of choosing a husband.
Mama, just calm down. I will get married. I will get married at the right time. I will get married and I will give birth to plenty children because I know you like too many children because you gave birth to Olimi. So I'll give birth to plenty children. Fine ones, so that matter. Your own is in your body. Don't worry. So this is why you brought me out. To discuss about marriage, Mama. Yes. These mothers, stop forcing your children into marriage that they did not prepare for. See how you want to start putting pressure on me. If you're tired of having me in your house, I can go and rent small homes in this village. And start staying. You're using marriage to pressurize me. Mama, calm down. I know it's because of Mama you carry out that I get married. That's why you are trying to know how far with me. Mama, stop putting pressure on me.
Olanma. Omuma asal. Omalicha nwam. Ugebe ndi afuzo.
Come on, Obie. You have been cooped up in that house for 2 weeks now. Avoiding your friends won't make your heart heal any faster, you know.
Dude, I don't know what you're talking about. My heart is perfectly fine, okay?
Oh, really?
Yes, really. Look, I'm just not in the mood for socializing. Okay?
Okay, if you say so.
I do say so.
Well, in case you have a change of mind, you can meet us at General Lounge.
I'm not going to change my mind. Just have fun for 2, okay? I'm with you in spirit.
I better get out of my phone. They talk better when they talk about spirit.
Have fun. I'll talk to you later.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Godwin.
Under the canopy. Under the canopy. Under the canopy of God. My Savior will cover me. Giving me secure.
Hey, baby. Baby girl for life. Have fun now.
If not the potato you dey wait for, you never do and see the peel am. I peel and finish, I go wash and slice am before I fry am.
No, nah. I'm not here for potato. I'm here to see you. You know, I see the V now. I dey talk to you now. You just I'm mad oku here. Who else is in eku?
If you dey talk to me and so you dey craze. You dey mad. You don't call up before.
Now look at you. Calm down now. Your blood too dey hot.
I tell you my body they say for you. No be a carry and potato they say. Why you can't touch me? They craze.
Calm down. You know.
You bless say you want my mind. Make I use this thing now. They enjoy you.
Now me you dey carry knife
for na village abi.
You dey carry knife for me.
You say they carry knife for you. Okay, no problem.
Now look at this local girl. Why they try package?
No problem. Try touch me again. You know that I'm not going to use this knife for your body. Just try touch me again. No pama.
You dey mad.
You said they mad.
local girl. Yes. See person why they try package you. You can't dey form buga for me.
This your useless money. Carry that useless money when you don't drop since. You talk say na woman, how you dey find? Ashawo. No sense. Just try come talk to me anyhow again. Idiot.
No, Yana. I go wait for you for that junction. Where you throw my money now? Now where my money now? I go scatter this thing.
I tell you, no dey shout for me for this place. So man, not enjoy you. I dey want you. Ewu. Try talk to me anyhow again for this place. I'll use this knife cut your tata. I know, Pama.
Ochakomaka is not getting the safe. Why is she chasing all her customers away? You know that girl overdo. I swear. She always acting as if she's the Queen of England. Queen Eliza. See, the day that girl go enter my trap, wetin I go do, Amada? You say if you dey target am. I swear, the day when she go enter my trap, I dey target her well. This girl, her own don't divest me. Who she still say she be safe? She be. See. You know where they target? Just her face. The same because place. That Baba will do that juju. Now for face he do am. I go just blind her. Oh, the face go they blink, they shine. All those bobos, they come. All those ones wey come from abroad, they come. I go make sure say I disfigure that her face. Me, I go blind her. Me, I will leave her eyes. I will spare her eyes, but you see every other part of her face, I go finish her.
Bye. Anybody at home? Bye.
Hey.
Mama Olanma. Yeah, wonderful.
You're welcome, sir.
How are you?
I'm very fine.
Good.
I was busy inside filling potato.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, I can understand. Always busy. That's good.
This I have come to grace us with your presence.
Am I no longer permitted to come and see my sister?
No, it's not what I meant. You're welcome, sir.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm actually coming from the family meeting.
Okay.
From the family hall. I decided to come and check up on you.
You did well.
That's good.
Thank you very much.
So how is Olanma?
She's fine. She went to Grand Base.
That's good. Can you just sit down? Sit down.
I'm busy inside.
How far with what I discussed with you the last time? About Olanma getting married. How far have you gone?
Oh, you know they don't say husband in the market. I have spoken to her about it.
The husband we are talking about is not one of those husbands they're selling in the market. We are talking about a husband who is a husband by every definition of that word. A husband that is a husband. The one you're supposed to be telling Olanma about, for her to begin to prepare her mind that husband is supposed to be in her life. Does it mean that you have not been telling her about it? Since that time we discussed?
No, we are working towards it.
You're working towards it?
Like I said, I have spoken to her.
But you need to understand that there is no time. The way I am talking about this thing should let you know that it is important. So if you have been telling her like maybe once every day, you have to make it like 3 or 4 times now.
I am doing that. That kind of husband.
If you see the man, you know that it's actually a horse that is going to be that husband. You can also band. I hope there is food in the house. Something somebody can eat.
Definitely. I have a bitter leaf and ora. Which one?
Bitter leaf and ora can confuse somebody. So I want you to make the choice for me. Check out money.
Okay, no problem.
You know, it is because you know how to cook. That is why once in a while I will come here to look for something to eat.
There is no problem.
No one of the wouldn't go in there. Oh, he is in chat. He is in chat.
Hello, Chidi. You still the general?
Yes, bro.
I'm coming over there now.
Alright. My G, nothing do you. And they wait. See you soon, bro.
I'm fine. How are you doing? Wait, when did you come back from school?
No, I came back yesterday night though.
And you did not inform me.
Calm down now. It's just yesterday night I came back and I've not been outside since then. What is it?
What is she?
What is it?
You're looking good.
As I'm looking like this.
Yes, this is your square. You tell me the secret. Like,
you know the school system of this country, my sister. It's really stressing me out though. I can't complain.
Are you serious?
My sister, that's it though. Yeah, so where are you going to?
I'm going to buy akara and bread from Mama Olanma. Where are you going to?
I was about going to see my friend though.
Okay. That means I'll need to go and buy my card.
It has been long, my sister. Let's go. I need to have a taste of it.
Okay, let's go.
Ignatius, what's going on?
Okay. The guy is checking off. Yeah.
Why is it jerking?
I don't know, sir.
Ignatius, I thought we serviced this car recently.
Okay, yes, sir.
So what's going on?
I don't know, sir. Let me shake.
Okay. Ignatius.
Sir?
Come inside, come inside.
Sir?
Look over there. Oh, do you know that person? That girl?
No, sir.
You don't know her?
No, sir. Is there any problem, okay?
No problem.
Let me check.
Okay.
I've been looking for you everywhere. I didn't see you. You know, say that girl been they look you. What do you say we just coordinate the girl?
Well, Chidi, I told you that I didn't feel like socializing. That's why I didn't want to come out initially. But then I, felt like I should just come, blow off some steam a little bit. But all that smoke and all that noise inside there is not really working for me. Besides, that girl will be my spec, I beg.
That girl will be my spec, I beg. So all this your talk, I go enter street, So now why you just wine me, abi?
I go enter streets now, but not tonight. Some other time.
I go enter. Not this night. See, Obie, I understand you, okay? Let's just go back there. We'll just go back now. I know just like us to sit down here.
Can't I just sit down here and drink?
But it makes no sense now. How can you be here all alone? But Papa will enter now. Leave all these things.
Yes, I'm not talking to those girls.
I don't hear. Go. Man, don't find you again.
Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you?
Fine. How much are you? Akara. Is it akara or potato? Just putting potato.
I was just driving by and I saw you, so I decided to come and say hello.
Okay. What do you want to buy? Is it akara?
Are you really selling everything?
Yes, that's why I'm here now. So?
I don't mind buying everything if only you can tell me your name.
Her name is Olanma.
Mama? Good evening, ma.
Good evening, Mom. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
No, pack the akara for him.
That won't be necessary, Mama. Yes.
You don't want to buy again?
No. That's not what I mean. I'm buying. As a matter of fact, how much is it? How much is everything? As a matter of fact, you can have everything. Yeah, of course.
My son. Hey, this is too much now.
Come on. Nothing is too much for the woman that gave birth to this beautiful angel. Hello, Angel. Do you mind giving me your number?
Yes.
No, I cannot give you my number.
Yes. She will be happy to give you her number. No, ma. Ngwa, say so.
Please put your number.
Olanma. Hope this is your WhatsApp number.
Olanma, I will call you later so we can talk, okay? Mama, call it now.
Boy, she will answer.
You see, Keo? Call it.
Mama, don't like all this kind of thing. That we afford don't mean that should be sending our dignity to
Will you shut up your dirty mouth? Only high. Look at my hand. And you are talking of dignity. It's a dignity in this economy. What would dignity buy for us?
Are we the cause of the economy problem? Has this economy not been bad since I will be surviving? The food I will be eating, who has been giving us? Is it not God? No, you don't even know if he's a ritualist or something. Just carry a bundle of money I gave to you.
He's not a ritualist. He's not a ritualist.
Continue. I'm here suffering myself, sis. I know that you collect money from people like that. I will just go and be sleeping now.
No, ma.
Continue frying. I'm not frying again.
You will fry, yo. You will fry. He's not a ritualist. Look at his face. Again,
continue frying.
Obinna, why? Why do you have to do this? What if this ends badly? Like the others? Can't you just get her out of your mind and just forget about her? You can stop thinking about her. That's what I'll do. I'll just forget about her. It's not that hard.
My brother.
Ah,
Good afternoon.
Adayiwa,
Eh?
this one you're smiling. I can see something is happening. You're so excited. What is it? Brief me.
It's about Olanma.
About Olanma? What happened? What about her?
She has a suitor.
Yeah! This is the most wonderful news I've heard today. Good. So where is the suitor from?
He's from our place.
This is actually very brilliant. Good. So when is he coming with his people? So I can ask someone to present the list to him. You know it is very important. The list is important. Yes.
They just started talking.
Yeah, mbamba. I know. I don't like any shooter that will come and start talking. No. Before you know it now, he will start to target what is not targeting him. I want the shooter that will come with action. Not talking. The one that will just come and ask for the list, we give him the list and then he will do the needful. That's what I want.
My brother.
But what was he talking? Yeah.
My brother Buto, calm down. This young man in question, he's very rich. Opanko Diego.
You mean it?
Hey!
Yeah. So let him prove it. Let him prove it by collecting the list and doing the needful immediately. That's the only way I will be convinced that indeed Obie.
He will. I just thought I should come and let you know.
No, you have done well. You have done well. I appreciate your coming. Yes, good. Yeah, I am drinking palm wine. I don't know. I don't know. You don't like to drink palm wine anymore. I would have said you take a glass cup. Okay, you don't want to drink palm wine, but you can drink another thing.
Odeko.
I can provide. Odeko.
Yeah.
We'll get you. We'll get you Odeko right away.
Relax. Okay, it's all right.
Okay.
think that's not me.
Good evening.
Good evening. What do you want?
Why I can leisure chat?
Sorry, I was staring like a fool.
It's okay. What do you want?
Everything.
Everything.
Obinna. Sir. What's taking so long?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm almost done.
That's your... Okay.
Yes.
You are with someone. Okay.
Yes, my boss. Give me a little bit of everything. Just make it all up to 500 naira.
Okay, 500.
Yes.
So I should mix yam, potato,
yes.
akara.
Yeah, everything.
You would have just collected bread for the akara, so that it will be 750.
No.
Okay, you don't need bread for
Just,
the akara. Okay.
I don't like bread.
You don't like bread?
No.
Bros, you dey miss so. If you mix bread with akara, If you mix bread with akara, you will know that you are missing. Just chop bread, akara. Try the combo. Once you open bread, put akara in the middle. Then add cold Pepsi. That one don't go. Hey, it's just finished.
Wow, this is yummy. She was right, it tastes much better than it looks. Don't worry, Ignatius, I'm not going to finish it.
Okay, sir.
So, why didn't you step down from the car? I wanted her to see you so I would see how she would react.
I don't know how to come down.
That's fine. We'll do it better next time.
Next time again. I'm not sure I can do this thing again.
What? Why?
I'm enjoying my driving. Let me know how you get used to these things.
Don't worry, Ignatius. We'll do it again, we'll be fine.
I don't want to get used to this thing.
You don't want to get used to being the boss.
I enjoy my driving.
I'm not taking that away from you. This is just for a while.
My son.
Mama the mama.
Now.
Mama, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
That's been a while.
Yes. I was beginning to think that you had abandoned us.
No, come on, Mama. The thing is that I travel out of the country. Yeah, I just came back.
Yeah, you are welcome.
So how are you doing?
I'm all right. Hope your trip went well.
Thank God. It went well, Mama. What of my beautiful angel? Where is she?
She's fine. She went to... Wait. Where's my daughter? Oh. Mama. Greet your friend.
How are you doing, my love?
He's not my friend, though. He's not my friend, Mama. Good evening.
Good evening. So how are you doing?
He's talking to you.
My love.
Izumi is okay. Izumi. I'm fine. I'm okay.
1 minute. I got something for you.
You said? Yes. For who? For my mother?
No, for you. Give me 1 minute. Yeah?
Olanma, did you hear that?
Mama, don't be hitting me like this now.
Dan, he said he got something for you.
Can't you see that this man is trying to buy us with money?
Olanma,
And you're just
if you don't want to see the other side of me, better respect yourself and show some kindness to this man. What is your problem? Again, is it?
But your second name could have been Wakego. You like money too much.
Let it be.
Who's that guy with my babe? Okay. I don't know.
My love, I got all this for you.
And you shouldn't have bothered because I don't need it.
I hope you like them.
Why not?
You can check them out.
Mama, if you don't open this thing now, I will descend on you.
Mama, please, don't descend on my customer.
Hey, Mama, you heard him. He's my customer. Welcome.
And where do you think we are going?
Mama, what is it now? Are we not here to sell akara? I want to sell something for him.
Not before thanking Ebika for bringing gift for you.
Mama, I don't understand.
Where are your manners?
With pressure from my mother, I have no other option than to say thank you. Thank you, but you shouldn't have bothered because I did not need the gift. But anyhow, thank you because it's my mother you bought for.
I know I trained you better than this.
Mama.
I know.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. Olanma, one more thing. Never mind. Mama, I will talk to you later, okay? Got it.
No fear.
Please, careful.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. What do you want to buy?
You don't look fine to me. Is it this guy? You want me to beat him up? I can break his leg and make sure he doesn't come here to bother you again.
Please stop. It's fine. Seriously, left for me. I would want you to break off his leg. But my mother will not agree. She'll be ready to fight you. Don't look at my mother like that though. She has bone. So what do you want
So
to
we
buy?
should pity him, right?
Yes, pity him. So what do you
Okay.
want to buy?
Well, it's the same thing I bought the other time.
How much akara?
I just want to say that you were right. The akara was very, very delicious. As a matter of fact, I almost bit off my finger when I was eating it.
I told you.
Who made the sauce that was in it?
It's me. I made it.
You made that sauce? Oh my goodness. It was very delicious.
Thank you.
It was very delicious.
Why you call me? Look there. Now she those two guys they find. Two. Now 3 people dey there. Hi! I no tell you. I tell you say this girl na pretender. Na shawo she be. You don't see her now.
That's not what I'm saying, Ada.
What are you saying?
Look at those men. Look at the car they came with. Are you blind?
My sister, I see it.
Hey, now wow. Wait though. Now she be the only girl where they this area.
I tire oh. Eh? We be firewood. I mean we escort person come this life. Eh?
Ada, I think it's time I become her friend. Yes. Why are you laughing? She need to show me the way, and I know with her, she will definitely show me the way.
Wait. Me and you know say you know like her. So, how you want to be her friend?
I know say I no like her. I know. But I need rich man as my husband. I need rich man make he be my husband. So this girl will help me out.
You get point too.
You see am?
You get point.
I'm always right.
Shey na this one they call GLK, abi na?
No, it be like this one a Lamborghini. See am?
This is my boss, so.
Welcome, sir.
My name is IG. I have to come down to see this astonishing beauty shining before me.
Well done, sir.
Here's my card. You can call me later.
She will give you a call.
Obie, let's go. We should go now. I said let's go. Sorry, I'll come and buy another.
What? You don't want to buy again?
I'm sorry, another time.
Leave me alone. Every day you just be spoiling everything for somebody. Leave me alone.
What is your problem?
Leave me alone. Look at my friend. I want to buy a car now. You make your guy to come and collect a card from me. You are as if you are doing a car shower business.
Are you insulting your mother?
Mama.
I don't know why you like so.
You have not said what is your problem, Mama. You have not said what is your problem. And you like money too much. They are still discussing this boy's phone. You brought another person's phone. Go collect his gas card. Now how would this boy be looking at me? Smash our.
See, there's ventures.
Small. Somebody's order in his phone to collect a card.
Look at it now.
You're discussing me. There's no problem.
You will call him later.
No problem. You will be looking for who will stay in this your shop again. Just be looking for you.
J.O. Ventures. Never Ventures.
Since when did your name become IG, Ignatius?
Okay. I want to answer a name of a big man.
Well, IG is definitely a big man's name.
Okay. That girl a very fine girl. And she fits you well. Oh.
You think so?
Yes, sir. She likes you very, very well.
I'm glad you say that. You know, when I decided to play this game, I didn't know I was going to have so much fun.
Okay. Open everybody waiting for that place. If you see as this girl take dey look you, she will just dey look you, dey smile. I just dey look her. She dey look you, she go dey smile. I sure say if that girl see me tomorrow, she no go even recognize me at all.
That's not true.
Oh, that is true. I'm telling you the truth.
Ignatius, my man.
Oh, God.
This is really going well.
After compiling this list, I am going to brief the secretary of the Umunna that the marriage list has been modified, and that will be the last document. I can no longer be 60 tubers of yam. We have to make it 150. 150. Can no longer be just one cow. One cow. We make it 3 cows. 3 cows. Yes. These wrappers Rappers should no longer be 20. 20 is small. We'll make it 60 rappers. Heads of tobacco. Head of tobacco should not be 10. 10 is very small. We just make it 40. 40 years of tobacco. Bottles of beer.
Please tell me you are joking. Eh? Wait, you are Ignatius. Wait, I really need to see this girl that has turned my friend into an actor. Are you being serious?
Absolutely.
Hey. And she has no idea you are the boss. Hey, so what's the plan now?
Well, honestly, I haven't thought that far yet. Dude, I just want an opportunity to get to know her, and for her to get to know me, like the real me.
Obie, she won't be getting to know the real you though, because you are pretending to be someone you're not. Are you not seeing it that way?
Well, you're right, but that's how it has to be. I have to do it that way. Because, bro, I'm really tired of fake love. Do you understand? I don't want to fall into that trap again. I want a girl to get to love me for who I am. And that's just, I have to do it this way. On the other hand, bro, it's so much fun being someone else.
Wait, being Ignatius is fun.
Okay. My name, na IG.
Oh boy, na film na the art, oh, I swear.
Serious Nollywood film, oh, I'm telling you. Award-winning film.
I can't wait to watch the movie. And what if she finds out the game you guys are playing? And what will you do?
I won't let her find out. Or at least she won't find out on her own. I'll make sure that I tell her before she finds out.
And you think she will understand?
I think so. By the time she hears all the things I've been through and my reason for doing things that way, I'm sure she will understand. Or at least I hope she will.
So, I know my man. Can I see the picture of this girl that is causing all this commotion?
To be honest with you, I don't have a picture yet. But trust me, trust your guy when I tell you that this girl is she's beautiful.
But I told you. I don't want to fall in love again.
Calm down. Don't go there, please.
My guy.
Don't go there. Calm down.
My guy.
Olanma, thank you for agreeing to this date.
I am not the one who agreed to come here. My mother practically forced me to be here. So don't say thank you for agreeing anything.
Your mother is a great woman. Yes. She only wants what's the best for you.
Is that why you told her about this outing without telling me? Because you know my mother will agree.
Don't be difficult, Olanma.
It's obvious you feel your money can get you anything you want, right? You feel your money can get you anything you want.
I don't get it. What is wrong with you and my money? No, why are you having problem with my money? What wrong have I committed by trying to upgrade a girl that I fancy?
This is the problem. This is the problem I have with you. Fancy. You don't like me. You want to upgrade me. I am not what you want.
You can be Olanma. I can make you what I want.
not even listening to me. You are not listening to me.
I need your food.
Why am I here? Why did you bring me here?
Why are you always this disagreeable, Olanma? What is your problem? Huh? No, tell me, what is your problem?
It is obvious you do not love me. And I do not fancy your money. So what do you want from me?
Olanma, I don't understand what you have against my money. Are you not a woman? Olanma, for crying out loud, your mother fry akala. Huh? At least I want to marry you. At least to change your life. To remove you and your mother from the poverty you both are suffering from. Don't you like good things? I just want to upgrade you.
Really?
Sorry, I didn't mean it that way. What I'm trying to say is for you to give me a chance. At least to take care of you. Olanma, you never can tell. You may need my money more than you can ever imagine. Please. Olanma, listen. Listen, I like you. Okay? I just want to take care of you. Just give me a chance, okay?
Please calm down, okay? And have some faith. I'm telling you, all 26 trucks are traveling in convoy. And they have 5 army detachments guarding them. So there's nothing for you to worry about. They will reach their destinations on time and in one piece, okay? That's our job. So have some faith. Yes, sir. I promise you. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Dead! She wanted to slap me. Goliath, get up here.
Suit yourself!
Mama, did you hear what I said? Mama.
So what you are telling me is that you raised your hand on that innocent boy?
Innocent boy? Mama, he almost hit me.
Before or after you slapped him?
Mama, that boy behaves anyhow. He kissed me.
And so? Olanma, and so? What is wrong in him trying to show interest in you?
Did you say interest, Mama? Someone who mocks my class? Every time he keeps reminding me of how much I need to upgrade to his standard. Mama, I don't even understand what that boy wants. Every time he keeps talking to me anyhow, yet he still wants me to get married to him. What does he even want?
Hi. See me see trouble. Olanma, there is nothing I will not hear from your mouth. Let me ask you. Are you up to standard? Don't you need upgrading?
Mama.
Don't mama me! I don't know why you like suffering. Use your head. Use your head for once. Sure, use your brain and get what you want. Look at you, Olanma. You will carry one hair. Look at your hair. One hair for 1 month. No good clothes, no good shoe. Look at your mate. They are wearing Brazilian hair, good clothes, looking good. Olanma.
Mama, even when I don't like him.
What is like? Give him a like it!
You taught me the right way. How? You raised me up. I know you are tired of poverty. I know you are tired of suffering. But Mama, that should not make you deviate from what you believe in. Mama, there is no amount of talk you will talk from today till tomorrow that will make me change my mind. I will never deviate from the things that are right. I won't. Know that and have peace. I'm going to sleep. Good night.
That is only what you know. You're going to sleep. Olanma, go and sleep! Sleep! That fine girl that God gave me with Akamu brain.
Olanma! Olanma! Come out here, sister. Come here.
Good afternoon, sir.
What is this nonsense I'm hearing?
What are you hearing? I don't understand.
Olanma, I am hearing that you have a suitor who has come to declare interest in making you his wife. And the only thing you can think of doing is to chase him away. Why? You are not saying anything, right? Are you aware that this opportunity that you have is the opportunity that so many of girls your age are praying for, fasting over for them to have this opportunity? And this opportunity has come, and everything, all you can think of is to destroy it?
Uncle, I don't know. I don't understand why you're talking like this. Did Mama not tell you what the guy did to me?
What he did to you? What? The only thing he did was to profess his love for you. Is that supposed to be an offense? Shut up! Do you think you're still a small girl? That small girl that everybody must be pampering every time for the baby not to cry? No! You are now a woman, a young woman. And if you do nonsense, we are going to slap you.
Uncle,
I don't want to hear anything. Find a way to go and apologize to that young man for him to continue from where he stopped. Huh? Yeah. Don't, if you stop making that, stop making to me. Are you sick? What is hey? If you fail to render this apology to this young man, for him to start again from where he stopped, the way I will handle you, you will be wondering whether I am actually your uncle. Look at the daughter. Talk to her. Talk to this girl.
I have been talking. Olanma! You want to kill me? Olanma, you want to kill me? Hey! I'm gonna kill you now! Olanma!
My friend, do you need help with anything?
Your friend?
Yes, now.
I don't need any help. Thank you.
It's okay.
Anything else?
Now that we are friends, can you introduce me to your other friends?
Other friends?
Yes.
Other friends?
Your guys.
Guys, what?
Those ones that used to find you and come here. Have you forgotten?
I don't know what you're talking about, but if there's any guys you feel come around here, maybe when next you see them, you come here and come and introduce yourself to them.
Fine girl. Don't do like that now.
Please, Blessing, I'm not cut out for all this now, please.
And what do you think you are talking to me like that? Eh?
Blessing or whatever your name is called. You think I don't know what you and your girls talk about me behind my back? Eh? See, let me tell you, I am not a pimp. I am not in that business. So please, respect yourself.
So what are you trying to say, Miss Holier than thou?
What I'm trying to say now is that, Blessing, I don't want trouble. If you know wherever you crawled out from, better crawl back to that place.
Honestly, I don't know who you think you are. I don't know.
I am Olanma, the daughter of Mama Olanma. I am comfortable in my skin.
You are very stupid. Yes, you are very, very stupid. Idiot. A shower monkey like you. Oh, you think we don't know what you are doing? Hey, very soon you will cast. And all those your men will run and leave you.
You would have come here to come and say all those things now. We look at her three heads, like three vultures. With her eyelashes that looks like feather that has withered already. In her skin, no bleach, no bleach. No what you can do more. Just look at the kind of slippers she wore to my father's house. With her 2 left leg. Ona duka koboko. Ewu. Somebody that has bleached her skin. The edges are all black. Looking like black and white TV. Shatta Dabino. Ewu. Low budget bubbles. So you would have come here, now, I would have used my hand now to finish you. I don't know why I came too quiet here. Village Ashawo. If you wanted to do Ashawo, can't you not go to Mama Ugezu's junction? Mama Ugezu's junction, bend Ashawo na no. 2-5, every go ban in a room. So I go band. Idiot.
I'm telling you, bro. Her mother made sure she couldn't say no. Immediately she saw the car, she just started agreeing to everything. Olanma, on the other hand, refused to agree until I had to give her my word that I would be there with her to make sure she was safe and nothing happened to her.
That kind of myself. Are you sure the daughter will not be like that too?
No. Olanma is not like that. She's completely different.
It's strange to me. You know what our people say about snake giving birth to something long. So one needs to be careful.
I know, you're right. I was initially worried and concerned too. But I've taken some time to get to know them a little bit more, and I can, to a certain degree of confidence, say that that woman is not a bad woman. She's only looking out for her daughter.
How do you mean?
Let's put it this way. If you were a mother or a father, at least, what would you prefer for your daughter? To go to a place where she would be well cared for and get everything she needs, or to go to a place where she would have to struggle?
Now I get your point. Exactly. I understand. It's all good. I wish you best of luck.
Olanma is great. I'm liking her more and more every day.
That makes a lot of sense. I never thought about it that way.
Yeah. You see, what matters the most to me right now is the character of the girl. She has a good character. At this point, I don't even care if she wants the finer things. I'm willing to provide it for her. Because she deserves it. Yeah. Who's calling? It's Nancy.
Nancy? Why is she calling you?
Hey, Nancy has been calling me, sending me messages, telling me she wants to come back home.
Which home? The one she scattered and left? Eh?
Hey, the girl is ridiculous. The girl is a witch. Proper witch. I'm sure that she has sensed that I'm beginning to find happiness. Now she wants to come and destroy it. Okay, how else do you explain this? How do you explain it? Calling me, Who is it?
Hold on, sir.
What is it, Godwin?
Sir, person they find for us on fine fair lady.
Is it?
Say her name Olanma.
Oh my goodness. Is it 2 o'clock? Hey, it's 2 o'clock. I told her to come by 2. Hey, this girl kept to time.
Okay, now go open.
Wait. So,
what are you gonna do now?
Where's Ignatius?
Ignatius is the backyard.
Okay, please go first and tell Ignatius to meet me in the room before you open the gate for her and let her in. What did I say?
Go tell Ignatius first in the room, and now come and call her.
Go. Hurry. Chidi, please, I need you to help me welcome her. Welcome her and keep her here. I need to go and change. Here, get into character. Please. Hey.
You say you don't want anything?
No, thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
I'll give you water.
Thank you, sir. I was beginning to think that I was in the wrong house.
You're not in the wrong house. I'm sorry. I didn't know. I mean, we didn't know you were coming today.
Your gas house is so fine.
Yes.
Looks like heaven on earth.
Yes, it's very beautiful, right? Yes. My Oga has a lot of money. Anyway, sorry. This is Chidi. Chidi is my boss's best friend.
Yeah, I'm more like a brother to the owner of the house.
Yes, he's the owner of the house's best friend. Yes.
Nice meeting you. You look so good. So, what's your name?
Olanma.
Wow, beautiful name.
Yes. Chidi, leave my Oga's girlfriend. Sorry, I mean my Oga's friend.
Your gas house is very fine.
Yes, you're welcome again.
Thank you.
So, what can I offer you to drink?
I'll just wait for your guy to come downstairs before I can drink something.
Okay. But I should entertain you now. Maybe something to drink or something to eat.
No, let's wait for your guy to come. That's the right thing to do.
Hey boy. Okay, it's fine.
You are such a great storyteller.
Yes, I know.
Hey, I want to start going. It's getting late. And your guy has not come down.
Oh, wow. We have been gisting for a long time.
Please, I want to start going.
But you have not seen my boss.
Hey, but he refused to come down. I cannot be waiting for him. We'll fry akara this night.
Maybe he got carried away with work.
He's supposed to know he has visitor. I will have to go. Please, I cannot wait for him.
It's alright. It's alright. I will tell him.
Do not tell anybody. You are even a better company. It's here I actually came to see.
Really? Well, that's nice. I won't tell anyone. But I'm not happy that you refuse to allow me to entertain you. You refuse to eat anything.
I know, the right thing is for your Oga to come down and come and entertain me. And moreover, I ate a lot before coming here. I ate a lot of akara and bread. The ones who could not sell in the morning. I'm the one that finished it.
Okay, that's your sweet akara.
Yes.
If I was in your shoes, I would also finish a lot of it. I'll eat a lot of it. Well, okay, fine. It's okay. He told me that it was okay for me to entertain you. But since you refuse to eat, I'll tell him that you refuse to eat. It's alright.
But I need to go.
Okay, let me go and get the car key so I can drop you.
No. You don't need to use the car. Your car will shout at you. You can just see me to the gate, then I will leave.
No. It's okay. I can drop you off.
With your gas car? No, I will not enter. That's not nice.
My guy is a very nice person. My boss doesn't mind.
Even if he's a nice person, you don't use your niceness against him.
No, he will even be upset if he finds out that I let you go, that you came and you didn't even see him, and I let you go by yourself. He would ask me why I did not have sense to take you home. So please, let me go and get the car key. Alright? Please.
What kind of big man behaves like that? I don't want them to sack him. Thank you so much for the ride.
So this is where you stay?
Yes.
Nice.
This is my house.
Now I know your house. I can come and visit you anytime.
Yeah.
I hope I'm welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
That's nice. Okay. You're home now. Let me go.
Bye-bye.
Bye. There's something I've been meaning to ask you, but I don't know how you take it.
What is it? Tell me.
I would like to take you out sometime. If you don't want to go, it's fine. I don't have...
No. I want to.
Okay.
Tell me, how long have you been waiting to tell me this?
Trust me, you don't want to know.
I would love to go.
Thank you. So, how is this weekend?
Sounds good.
All right. I'll call you.
You don't have my number.
Yes, that's true. I think I left my phone at home. So, let me give you my number. Since you have your phone.
Okay.
Please, please just send me a message so that I know that this is your number and I can call you when I'm ready.
You did not dial it.
Don't dial it. Just save it and send me a message. Okay. Yes, when we'll talk. So just send a message. That's Olanma.
I'll just send you a message. This is Olanma.
Olanma. All right. I'll call you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Be careful.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Is this what happened?
Mama, that's all.
How big is his house?
Mama.
Answer me!
Very big and beautiful.
When are you going to see him again? What is You don't have plans of seeing him? Mama. Olanma, don't start this your nonsense again. If you want to be a reverend sister, tell me! Instead of chasing people away, you have chased Ebuka.
This weekend.
What happened to this weekend?
I will go and see him this weekend.
Kita kebia. Mwademma. Omuma sana.
Mama, please let me go and refresh myself.
Oh, so bad. No problem. You will see him this weekend. It's okay. Big house. She went to see him, and they'll be seeing this weekend. I think he's the one that she likes.
What nonsense are you talking about? Why are you laughing?
I'm just telling you what happened. How can you
be telling me what happened? I think he is the one she likes. Is it like that is going to feed her when she's married? Is it like that is going to pay her bride price? How can you be talking about like? What has like got to do in a woman getting married?
But does it matter who she marries?
Listen, it matters a whole lot. You are the person who created this problem in the very first place. You are the reason that girl does not listen to anybody. What are you saying?
But I never said the new guy is a pauper.
Listen, you don't need to say it before I know that he's a pauper. What can he offer? Yes, we agree that Olanma is going to be married. But she cannot be married to just anybody. Olanma is going to be married to a man who is a man by every definition of that word. A man that when you see him coming, you will have hope. You will know that something is going to happen when he comes. Not a man that when you see, you will begin to wonder what is going on. How can you look at all the men around here and you are not seeing one that can do that, and that is the one you want to present as Olanma's husband? I think is the one you like. No.
Hi. But jokes apart, this girl makes sense, die.
Fine. I told you.
Hi.
I told you.
No wonder. You that was shouting, I don't want to love again. I'm not gonna love again. I hate love. If you see and Kaisiga Sage final.
No, my head just scatter. I'm telling you. I saw the babe from far like this. I was like, who is this angel? My head just went. Ndocha will say, I went bananas.
Hi. How was your conversation with her? Because I saw the way you were smiling. Smiling. I know that. You feel that the
Well, let's just say I have a date with her this weekend.
Are you serious?
I was able to ask her that I wanted to take her out. And she said, okay. Wow. It's like the girl likes me.
Obinna, to be honest with you, you see this clothes, it fit you down. See the way you just put on the clothes. What they are now,
It's nice. But I don't want to get used to it.
You better get used to it because it fits you.
What are you trying to say now?
I can call you IG now.
It's not like selling a car. It's something I want to do forever. I got admission 3 years ago into the university. My plan was to go and meet my auntie in the city. I'll be working for her. Why should be paying me so I can help myself in school?
Oh, that's interesting. So what happened?
My mother fell ill. She was very sick. There was nobody to help her except me. So I had to stay back.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that.
It's nothing that passed. But the thing is that I feel sometimes, maybe I might be wrong. I feel my mother, she feels guilty. She feels she's the cause why I don't have a better life. But I've been trying to let her know that I'm very comfortable with the kind of life I'm living. I'm not complaining that I'm an akara seller. It's not a bad thing. I'm selling akara to make a living. And people are happy that I'm selling because I have customers. Your meat is very sweet. It's been
You
a
like
while.
it?
You know why I eat this kind of chicken?
I don't think your mother will like me. I mean, I'm not rich. The car I drive is not even mine.
She will adapt. Why are you staring at me like that?
So you don't mind?
Mind what?
That's I'm not rich.
You're a very hardworking man. And you love me genuinely. That's all that matters. Do not misunderstand me. It's not as if money is not important. It is. But you know, at least even Davido, he even sang it. He said, love is sweet, so when money enter, love is sweeter. So, but money is not the number one thing I am looking for. There are other things I'm looking for in a man.
Things like what?
Some other time, I'll tell you.
No. I'm gonna cry.
Stop making that face. Stop. Don't cry. It's okay, but on a serious note, I know my mother she will adapt. I'm going to tell my mother about our relationship when the time is right. But for now, let's enjoy our meal. I will finish my own before your own.
No. Because I know if you finish yours, you want to eat mine, so let me eat faster now. You said you wanted to know where I live.
Yes.
This is my place. I know it's nothing compared to the mansion my boss lives in. And I will understand if you don't want to call this place your home.
Stop it. You're talking as if you don't know. That's not how love works. Love is not about what you have and don't have. Love is about the heart. And I love you. Not your house, but you.
Are you for real?
It's you I love.
I love you too.
So, can we go in? Let me see.
Yes.
My daughter, we have been waiting for you.
Hi, beautiful.
What are you doing here?
Olanma, when did you forget how to breathe?
Mama, it's okay. Please.
Mama, what is he doing here?
Hey, can you stop embarrassing yourself? Come and sit down here. Come here and sit down. Mama. Yes. Look, carry it's actually your something there. You just hold it. Oh. Uncle. I have to go now. So I can allow you to talk. I'll come back later to check up on things. Yeah, are you okay? That is okay? No, you're fine with that? No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Uncle, I'll see you later. Of course, of course.
Mm.
All right, thank you.
Okay,
Yes,
bye-bye.
yes. I will just see you later. Why are you fighting somebody who is not fighting you? Why are you having problem with somebody who has no problem with you? Somebody who even loves you.
Olanma.
Where did you learn this from?
Olanma, you are pushing me. You are pushing me, oh!
Mama, I don't know. I don't know what you are doing. I don't know what you are trying to do. But if there's anything you've collected from him, kindly return it back to avoid being in debt. Because me, I will never marry that guy.
Olanma, what did I do to you? Olanma, Melogi! Does one brag with suffering, with poverty? Olanma, what did
Mama, I am perfectly fine. Marrying a rich man is not the only way to get rich, Mama.
You are talking arrant nonsense and you know it. Yeah, you're just talking nonsense.
How else, Mom?
Mama, I can go to school, Mama. I can...
Hey! Ewo, you have said it all.
What did I say?
I know you are blaming me for not continuing your education. Yeah. So, this is what all this drama is all about.
Mama, put that...
Hey, Obinna! Stop pretending! That is why you refuse to marry Ebuka just to punish me for getting sick and making you come back home to take care of your own mother!
And as far as I'm concerned, that is wickedness. Why are you heartless, Olanma? Why are you presenting yourself as a beautiful woman on the outside, whereas inside of you is full of evil? Why?
Mama, see, this is an emotional blackmail. Oh. That's what you and Uncle is doing to me. Emotional blackmail, and it's not nice.
You see, you see that?
Mama, as far as I'm concerned, Ebuka does not love me. He does not love me.
Look at the grammar that she's speaking. The same you that said, I have not gone to school. You are the one that is blowing all this grammar. You rose up egomania. Now it's emotional blackmail. By the time you finally go to school, all of us will pack and leave this place because of you. Because your grammar cannot contain anybody anymore anywhere. Well, I'm not even blaming you. It's your mother here that I'm blaming. Huh? Of course, I'm blaming this woman that is sitting down here.
Olanma, he does not love you. And he wants to marry you. Why?
Mama, I don't know. Maybe he just wants to satisfy his urge of marrying me. Or maybe he just wants to prove that he can marry me. I don't just know. But what I know is that that boy is not the man for me. That is it.
Well, I am now telling you. In fact, I want to end this thing. Because if we leave you, you will speak another grammar. And we don't need any grammar here. Your grammar is not making any sense. You have seen Ebuka. That Ebuka is the one that you are going to marry.
That is it.
Of course, we're your family members. In a situation where you cannot decide for yourself, and we have seen it that you cannot decide, we have decided for you. Yeah, if you say pim, if you put this on your mouth, I will slap it back.
I return it.
Shut up. Come and carry this thing. Come and carry this thing that you supposed to carry it. I will hold it tight. Hold it tight.
Olanma!
Of the saying of our people that what an elder sees while seated, a child, even if he or she climbs the tallest tree in the village, will not be able to see.
Uncle.
You know, what do you know about your father?
Not much.
I thought as much.
Why are you bringing my father into this?
See what you're going to do for me. I want you to go back to your house. When you get home, ask your mother to tell you everything concerning your father. You need to know the whole story.
She doesn't like talking about him.
It is no longer about what she likes or what she does not like. It has gone beyond her. She has to tell you the whole story. She has to open up to you. Because by the time you know the story, you will be able to know the reason we are insisting you have to marry Ebuka, who is a man by every definition of the word. A man who knows what he wants and how to go about it. Can you do this for me? Good. Good.
Yeah. Chidi, I hear you. I understand what you're saying. And if I'm being honest with you, I'm beginning to realize that I may not have thought this thing through. Yeah. I don't know how I'm going to tell her the truth. I know I have to. But I'm afraid I'm going to lose her. I haven't gotten close to her, and knowing how principled she is, I know she's not going to like the fact that I lied to her and pretended to be who I'm not. Chidi, can I call you back? I'll call you back, please.
Onye?
Where's my baby?
Who born picking for here?
You fool! Where is Obie, my fiancé, your boss?
Obie Gikwa. Madam. Madam, wait. You cannot go in here.
Let go of my bag, are you stupid?
Madam.
You touch my bag, are you mad?
Madam, I don't want madam.
If you touch me.
Madam. Don't go in here.
Like you're stupid.
You can't go in there. You can't go in here. Wait! Hey. What's wrong with you? What are you doing? What are you doing here?
What do you mean, what am I doing here? I'm home. Where I belong.
You let this Lola get to my house.
No, huh?
You are home. Which home? Your home is an asylum. That's where you belong. And this house is definitely not for mad people. What are you doing here?
Why are you talking to me like this? Why are you doing this? After ignoring my call, ignoring my messages, now you're calling me a mad woman. It's not fair. You know how much I love you.
Hey, stop that nonsense. Stop this nonsense you are doing, Nancy. As a matter of fact, leave. Take her out of my place.
Baby, I've lost everything. I made a bad investment. I've lost my car, my house, everything. You're the only one I have. You cannot leave me like this. Baby, please. Please, for the sake of us, share, please. Please don't abandon me. I'll die. I'll die. Please, I'm sorry. Please, for the sake of us, share, please.
Uncle, there's something I want to discuss with you.
I'm listening.
Uncle, I know your intentions towards me, it's good, and that's why you want me to get married to Ebuka. But please, Uncle, there's someone else I love, and he wants to get married to me. And me, I want to get married to him too. Uncle, please, allow me to get married to the man that I love.
Olanma, I gave you a task. I said, go to your mother and ask her to tell you the whole story concerning your father. Have you done that?
Not yet.
You have not done what I asked you to do. And you want to marry someone else. Okay, yes. Wait for me. Let me do this. This is the marriage list as approved by Obinna. Don't rush, because I'm told you're not even ready first page. You're going to the second page. This your new suitor that you're telling me about. Can he provide everything in this list?
Uncle, this is too much now.
Should I tell you the truth? Ebuka has already seen this list. He has gone through this list and he has no objection. He is prepared. He is prepared to provide everything written down here because he loves you. And he is prepared to go to any extent to have you named his wife.
Uncle, please, I'm begging you. I'll not get married to the love of my life. I'm begging you, please. Uncle, please.
Just stand up. Stand up. Sit down. I want you to understand something. Why are you not helping yourself? Ebuka loves you with every single thing in him. If you are married to Ebuka, I can assure you that you are not going to suffer all the remaining days of your life because he is prepared to provide for you, to care for you. He's prepared to be there for you as the husband. Why are you not making up your mind to be with a man like that?
Uncle, I don't love him.
Fine. No problem, fine. If this your new suitor is the one you want to be married, no problem, but I want you to understand something. I'm doing this thing for you to know that your uncle is not actually very rigid. I want the best for you. But you see, that your new suitor must provide every single thing that is written down here. Every single thing must be provided. That's number one. And then he must come to me and tell me to my face. In fact, he's going to enter into an oath to my face that he's not going to allow you to suffer. That he will provide it for you from now until the end of time.
But Uncle,
there is no but. There's no but. And it's just for you to know that we want you to be married. But this is my very simple condition that he must fulfill. If he fulfills that condition, well and good. But if he's not willing to provide it, then you will know that I have done my best. But my best is not good enough because the person you have brought is not good enough. Look what. See, I am going to allow you to go and photocopy this list. Under normal circumstance, this list comes out only when something has been provided. But as he has not provided anything, it is possible he cannot even provide what is required for the list to come out. But you can go and photocopy it free of charge. Give it to him and tell him what I said. Then we can then settle down to have a proper discussion.
remember that guy you saw in my mother's shop the other day?
Which guy?
The one with the Lexus Jeep.
The one that your mother wanted to deal with you because of him?
Yes.
What about him?
He has been asking my hand in marriage. And recently my mother just accepted.
Your mother accepted?
Yes.
On your behalf? How? How does that happen? Who does that?
My mother.
When was this?
Some days ago.
Some days ago, and you're just telling me now?
Because I did not. I just felt it's not necessary.
How long has he been asking you out?
For a while now.
For a while now, and you still didn't tell me. You're just like...
I'm sorry. I just felt he is not important.
You should have told me. You not telling me makes it seem like you're hiding something from me.
What would you have done?
Oh, okay. So you feel like I can't do anything, right? So because I can't do anything, it's not important for you to let me know.
I didn't say so. What is... Why are you trying to pick a fight with me?
I'm not trying to pick a fight. I'm upset. You should have told me. Something like that, you should have told me. It's important. It's something you should have told me. Immediately it happened.
I'm sorry.
So what are you going to do about it now?
I don't know. For now, I'm just thinking of talking to my mother first. At least let her decline his proposal first.
Of course, I'm in the house. He believed it line, hook and sinker. I told you Obinna is mine. He can never resist my charm. You see what, just give me a few days and Obinna will be eating out of my palms again. Life on the reds, why won't he be? You know what, just get pen and paper and wait for my return. I got you, girl. So what's up now?
Ma, you know I've not told you much about your father. And when it became obvious that I was not going to talk about him, you stopped asking. And I know, lately it looked as if we are not agreeing on anything. You often hear your uncles talk about history repeating himself. Let me tell you why. I met your father when I was very young. I and my sister were in school. My parents did not like him. Neither did my brothers. But I loved him. I loved him that I wanted to be with him. So I kept seeing him. Hi. Within a short time, I got pregnant. Out of fear of what my parents would do when they found out, I decided to elope with him to the city. When we got to the city, things became very difficult. He could not keep a job. On occasion when he got money, he would stay out late, squander the whole money with prostitutes. I was suffering. I was suffering. Eventually, I lost the pregnancy. Did you know one thing? He blamed me. He blamed me. Hey. That widened the already building rift between us. Within some years, I got pregnant again. But then, I don't have faith in him. I don't have faith in our relationship. All I wanted was for the baby to be alive and healthy. He noticed. He noticed that I don't care what he did. I didn't allow his behavior to get to me. He packed and left without looking back. You, Olanma, you are that baby. Ever since then, it has been you and I.
So, Mama, where is he now?
Is he still alive? He died many years ago. Eventually, my brother found me and brought me back home. My parents were heartbroken, but there was nothing they could do. I wasn't cruel when I said love is not the best criteria for choosing a life partner. Let me tell you, love is sweet. Love is beautiful. But love can be dangerous.
It's okay. I'm sorry. Sorry you went through all this in the hands of my father. Sorry you never cared about me.
Good morning, baby.
Hey. Who's your baby? I've warned you, Nancy. Stop calling me baby. I'm not your baby. By the way, when are you sorting out your house issue?
So that's it. So you want to chase me out on the street so I'll be homeless? That's what you want, right?
Nancy, you and I know that you are not going out on the streets, even if you leave my house, because you have a family. You have a family that can help you sort out a ticket to go back home, or at least put you up somewhere. You have options.
But baby...
Hey, stop. Don't baby me. You're not listening. Look, it's too early for this drama. Okay? But I'm going to tell you this. Prepare to leave my house. My patience has an expiry date, and it will soon expire. You hear me?
I'm not going anywhere. I'm here to stay. So you're saying it's rubbish.
Come on, Obie. You went too far. You went too far now. I'm not going to lie to you. I mean, she didn't deserve it at all.
You think I don't know that already? Look, I know I fucked up, okay? I fucked up big time. And now, I don't even know how to fix it.
Have you tried calling her?
To say what?
What? You haven't spoken to her? Eh? You haven't spoken to her since? Come on, Obie. This is what you have always wanted. What is going on? What is happening to you?
I don't know. Man, I don't know, man. I just don't know what's... And to even make matters worse, that witch of a girl, Nancy, moved into my apartment.
Wait. Obie, I don't even know the business, the deal you still have with this girl. I don't even know the deal you still have with this Nancy.
There's no deal, bro. There's no deal. I just saw her kneeling there and begging me, and I couldn't turn her away.
That's the problem there. That's the problem.
Yeah, thank you. Kick me while I'm down.
See, I am not kicking you, bro. I'm only trying to be honest here. I mean, it wouldn't make any sense for you to lose the love of your life over a crazy witch with a touch of narcissism. It wouldn't make any sense. Eh? Think about it, bro. Think about it. Don't let this wound fester, please. Think about it.
Godwin! Gadi Bani! Godwin!
Yes, madam. Madam.
I brought you something.
Hey, madam, for me?
Yes.
Hey.
I want to appreciate you for all the hard work you've been doing for us. You're trying.
Madam, thank you. Madam, I work very hard, and I'm listening to very hard.
I know.
Madam, thank you. Hey, madam, all this is for me?
Yes.
Madam, thank you. Hey,
I like it.
Hey, I love it. I love it. Hey. Hey. Oh, madam, it's very delicious. This is the kind of food I'm missing in this house. Yes, all this while. Madam, thank you. Hey.
You mean Oga has not brought anyone to cook for him?
Huh? No, yes. There's somebody, person they come, but she know they cook at all. No, cook.
He brought someone.
Yes, no, yes. He brought someone. Yeah. Very fine, fair, fine like this. Like mommy water. Very fine. That auntie fine, no.
It's okay. What's her name?
Ekene. Oh yes, no, sorry. Olanma. Yes, Olanma.
What a local name.
Madam, you know local. Sorry, it's not sorry. Thank you. This was sweet though. I'm just saying that she cook am. Like you don't feel this kind of food. Now buy she buy am. Nah, this woman is strange, oh. Hi, he na mecha go banje. Hi. Let me just enjoy this free goodies. Now, no one knows tomorrow. If you change.
I knew it. So that's it. That's why he's been playing hard to get. Because of that stupid Olanma. I will show him. I will show them that no one, absolutely no one, takes away what belongs to Fancy Nancy. Rubbish.
Alan, where are you going? I'm going to the shop.
This early?
Mama, I cannot be sitting at home doing nothing. I need to work.
Olanma.
Ma?
What of Ebuka?
What about him?
Olanma, don't play games with me, oh. His proposal won't wait forever.
Mama, I don't want to work out on you. But for Ebuka, I'll work out on you. What nonsense? What do you mean by that?
Olanma.
No.
Welcome, my love.
It's your love.
I made something for you to eat. It's your favorite. You love it.
I'm not hungry.
Obinna, what did I ever do to you that you cannot forgive? What is it?
Nancy, the question is, what did you not do? Anyway, all that is in the past now, and I hold no grudge against you. The truth is, I just want you to be gone from my house as soon as possible. That's all. You and I are no longer together, and we will never be together again. I hope you understand.
Obinna, it's me with you, Nancy.
Hey, please. Nancy, please, save me the drama. Don't start with the crocodile tears now. I beg you. I have a lot on my mind right now and I don't want you to add to my worries. Oh, yes, by the way, on a more serious note, I want you to prepare and leave my house by this weekend. Okay? I told you that my patience has an expiry date and it has already run its course. So please, find yourself some other place to stay. Don't test me this weekend.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry begging you before me. No. I'm not going anywhere. I'm sorry. I want to stay. Nobody take me out of this house.
Olanma, is this how you are going to continue?
Continue how, Mama? I don't understand.
You don't understand. You think I don't see you? You think I don't see you moping around the house since that stupid driver stopped coming to the shop? Eh? Yes. I see you. And I must say I am disappointed. After everything I told you about your stupid father, you still want to make the same mistake I made.
That's it. That is it, Mama. Enough. I'm tired of you nagging over same issue. I'm tired.
Nagging, you say? I am just getting started. Yes, I am your mother, Olanma. I will do everything humanly possible as your mother to make sure you marry Ebuka and be happy.
Mama, after everything I told you about Ebuka, you think if I get married to him, I'll be happy?
Yes, you cannot see the truth because of him. Because of that
Mama,
stupid...
enough of this driver thing. Enough.
Did I lie? Eh? You forgot I came to this world before you. I know you've been sneaking around with that stupid driver. Olanma, all I'm saying is, marry Ebuka.
That's my dead body, Mama. I will never marry Ebuka. Instead of me to marry Ebuka, I would rather remain a sister all my life. For what?
Olanma!
I will never marry him. For what?
Olanma! Hey!
Obie, what's the plan now?
I need to sort out one problem first. I need to sort out one issue before I can deal with the other.
But this thing is taking much time now. It's taking much time.
I understand, but I have to be careful with the way I handle. You know, women and their issues. You need to. What's going on there? Godwin, who is there?
Be that. Oga
What do you mean?
Oga,
I said, what do you mean by that?
Oga.
Excuse me. I know you hate confrontation, but breaking up with me through the phone is so low of you.
Breaking up with you? What are you talking about? What breakup?
Seriously, you are going to deny it. So you're going to deny that you sent me your real girlfriend's picture through the phone and broke up with me. You even told me to take it with dignity.
What pictures? I have absolutely no idea what you're talking about, Olanma.
Whatever. I actually came here to let you know that I may be hurting now, but I will come out of it. And I will love again. I will not give up on love. I won't. I will love someone and I will see someone who will love me more.
Look, Olanma, if what we shared means anything to you, you will calm down and make me understand exactly what is going on here, what you're talking about, because I'm confused.
What don't you understand?
What pictures? I'm confused.
Are you being serious right now? Please do not be ridiculous.
Look, Olanma, I understand that I have been very stupid by not explaining myself to you all this time. But right now, I'm really confused about what you're talking about. Can you just let me see the pictures, please? I believe there's a misunderstanding here. I don't know what you're talking about.
Fine, that's no problem. Let me see how you're going to deny this now. Who's this? Who is this? Is this your twin? Is this not you?
Goodness, Nancy.
It's true. Huh. He even knows her name.
Oh, Mama, there's a misunderstanding here.
Okay, make I watch the car now.
Godwin, is something wrong with you? Can't you see I'm in the middle of something important here?
Sorry, I just want to know whether you could come out now.
Did you not just hear that this is not a good time for this? Get away from here!
Sorry.
Why is he calling you Oga? Why is he referring to you as Oga? And wait, why are you dressed like this?
Baby, I can explain.
Is this your house?
I can explain. It's not what you think, okay?
Obinna, are you being serious right now? Sammy! The things we shared, was it even true?
Yes.
Why am I even asking such a stupid question? I should have known that you were a cheat and a liar.
No,
and you've been playing games with me all this while.
It's not what you think. It's not what you think. Let me explain, please.
Explain in hell. Go to hell. I do not ever want to see you again.
Olanma, please.
Leave me alone.
Olanma.
Just leave me the hell alone.
Please. Let me explain to
Open
you.
this gate.
Olanma, please, don't go, please.
Don't cut my head though!
Please, please, Olanma, please. Please, let me explain.
Go! Go away!
Please, please.
Sorry, please. Sorry. With everything I did for love. I'm sorry.
Love? Love? Nancy, you don't know the meaning of love. So don't ever use that word. And you are a bad person. As a matter of fact, you're not just a bad person, you're a terrible person, and I curse the day that I set my eyes on you. And as a matter of fact, from today, as you're leaving this house, you're leaving my life, I don't ever want to see you again. Do you understand? Get it clear. I don't ever want to set my eyes on you again. I'm telling you, I don't want to smell you near me. I don't want to smell you near my house. I don't even want to see you from the side of my eye, because I will get you arrested and locked up. I don't ever want to see you in my house again. Get out of my house.
I'm sorry. Get
out.
I'm sorry.
Get out.
Let me beg you.
Obie, get out of my house.
Let me beg you now.
What's his name? Godwin. Godwin. Open that gate. Open that gate.
Let me beg you.
I said get out. Get out.
I'm sorry.
Get out.
I'm sorry.
Get out. Get out. Get out of my house. Lock that gate. Nancy, get away from here before I call the cops. Get away. Now listen. Listen to me, you. If you ever let that girl into this compound again, you are getting kicked out just like her. As a matter of fact, I'll have you arrested as well. Let her into this house and see.
Sir, I don't lock her more.
I told you. I'm tired of that law.
Go.
See, Obie, I am really sorry for this. I am really sorry to hear this. I've always known that Nancy cannot be trusted. But I didn't even see this coming.
And what about me? I knew what a terrible person Nancy was. And I still opened my doors and let her into my life. I allowed her come in and destroy the only good thing that I had going for me. What does that say about me?
But you know you can't give up. You can't just give up.
Man, I messed up. I messed up big time, bro. I messed up. Even before this whole Nancy fiasco, man, I've been acting foolish.
See, Obie, nobody's perfect. What matters is what you feel for this girl. And I believe she feels the same, because she wouldn't have come in to confront you, you know that. She wouldn't have bothered coming to confront you.
You're right. I'll keep trying.
That's the spirit, bro. That is the spirit.
Keep trying. She's worth it, man. She's worth it, bro. She's the only woman for me.
Can't say that again. So cheer up. I believe so too. Cheer up, man. Cheer up.
Mama, there's something I want to discuss with you.
Are you accepting Ebuka's proposal?
Mama, that's far from it. And it's far from it. Mama, I'm leaving. What do you mean by my leaving? Huh? Mama, I know the two of us has not been in good terms because of Ebuka. Mama, I know that everything you are doing is because you want a better life for me. So it got me thinking. Since I have an auntie in the city who is willing to further my education for me, I want to grab that opportunity now. I'll be going to the city to meet auntie so she can further my education and I will still be working for her. Mama, see, I know you want me to marry a rich man so that I can live a comfortable life. But it is not only by marrying a rich man that I can live a comfortable life. I can still go to school, be educated. If I become a graduate, I will have a good job. And I will have enough money to take care of you. Mama, I can't do this without your consent. That is why I am here to seek your consent. But marrying Ebuka is far from it, Mama. It is not even an option for me at all, at all. It's not an option.
You are truly your mother's daughter. I know I hate your stubborn nature. But since your adamant refusal of marrying that young man, I started watching him. Mama, I got your point.
You do, Mama?
In as much as I want you to stay here with me to help me in the business, I cannot stop your destiny for the second time. As you have accepted to go to the city and further your education, good. You have my blessing. Not in only this one, in anything you set your heart to do. Blessing follow you.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much, Mama. Hey, God. Hi, Mama, thank you. Mama, thank you so much. I'm going to miss you when I leave. And I know you're going to miss me. But Mama, did you think I was going to leave you all alone here? I employed somebody that will be coming to help you in the shop and help you in the house too, to clean the house, wash your clothes and cook.
Really?
Yes.
You... I don't know if I should cry. Who is the person?
Yes, her name is Ugezu now. Ugezu.
Chelo, Ugezu wa Beatrice?
Yes, Mama.
She's a good girl.
Mama, why did your face change suddenly? What is it?
How am I going to pay her? You know, you cannot predict this kind of our business.
Mama, it's okay. Eh? Do you think before I employed somebody, I have not sorted out how I'll be paying her?
Eh?
You know, Auntie, I'll be working for Auntie too, partially. So I asked her to put something on top of my money. And she accepted. So the money she added for me, that's what I bargained with Ngozi and she accepted. Hi. So I'll be paying Ngozi from there. Mama, stop. I've already sorted all that. It's nothing.
Hi. Ma. You are the best child any parent can hope for. Hi. Ma, you are making me so happy.
I will miss you.
I will miss you too.
I will miss you. Uncle, did you hear what I said?
I heard you. Just that I'm very surprised. I am surprised that you have decided to go back to school instead of becoming a wife to a wealthy man.
Uncle, please.
You know, you don't need to plead with me. You don't need to plead with me. I just need you to understand that the path you have chosen is not an easy one. No. But again, I prefer it. I prefer that you are doing this because it is better than running off to be with an afflict. Of course. It's better.
Thank you.
And I need you to know something, that I have been to my sister's place. And I know the workload that those girls there, I know the kind of workload they do. Serious work. Are you aware?
Yes, Uncle, I'm aware.
Good. Now, when you get there, I need you to be very focused. Be very, very focused in what you are doing. I want you to understand that you have a family name that you have to defend and protect. Don't go to that place and start to do something stupid. Because if you do anything that is going to undermine the corporate image of the family, the way I will handle you. Even me
I won't disappoint you, Uncle. I won't.
Good. You may go.
No. Uncle, bye-bye.
Good. Yes. They know even chuku biela. Mwana mwanya. Nyabuli ko bunyi ebuka de mma kai wade pomo ojo ne ya remi.
Good evening, ma. Good evening, ma.
Ma, is this not your driver friend?
He's not my friend.
Baby, please, can we talk privately?
Whatever you have to say it in front of my mother, so she will know what you've been up to.
No, my daughter, that won't be necessary. It seems it's your personal business.
Mama, I don't want to talk to him.
Olanma, please just give him a chance to explain. Okay, please.
I don't know what is going on between you two, but please give him a chance to explain himself.
Olanma, I know you have every right to be angry and decide not to talk to me. But please, just give me 5 minutes to explain myself to you. After that, whatever you decide is fine. Baby, I swear to you, there's nothing going on between me and that witch. I was just trying to help her. And then she turned around and used it against me.
It's true, Olanma. See, Olanma, I know you don't know me that well. My word might not really mean anything to you. But before God and man, Obie here is telling you nothing but the truth.
Let's say I believe you. But tell me, was it someone else's fault that you lied to me? 7 good months. 7 months. I fell in love with you. You never thought of telling me the truth. Because of you, I considered marrying someone I despised so much. Because I was no longer understanding your emotions. You left me. You pushed me away when I needed you the most. Why did you have to hurt me this much? Why? What did I do to you?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Olanma. I know that what I did was inexcusable. And I have absolutely no justification for it. Except to tell you that when I came up with that idea of pretending to be a driver, I was going through a very bad breakup. And I had no idea that I was going to meet someone like you and fall so helplessly in love, and that you were even going to reciprocate that love. And when it happened, I was going to tell you.
When were you planning to tell me?
Soon.
There have been too many lies for you to convince me that you are not a bad guy playing with my heart.
Please, Olanma, I know I messed up and I probably don't deserve forgiveness, but baby, Please.
Do not call me that. Do not.
For the sake of what we shared, the feelings we had for each other, I beg you to give me another chance. Give me a chance to make things right.
I can forgive you. As a matter of fact, I think I have forgiven you. But tell me, how am I supposed to forget what you made me go through? How?
I don't know, but we can figure it out, okay? Look, I will do everything within my power. As a matter of fact, I will spend the rest of my life doing whatever it takes to win back your trust.
That is not enough. I do not have the ability to stay with a man who I know has hurt me so much.
Don't say that.
I think I need space. You need to give me space to
Baby, what am I going to do without you? My life will be miserable without you. Please don't do that.
I'm sorry. You need to give me space to me. I'm sorry, please, I'm not working out for you. But I have to.
Olanma. Explain this to me.
I understand what you're saying, but don't worry. I'll be calling you from time to time. Once I have free break, I'll come and visit you. Oh?
I know you will. Olanma, have you spoken to Obinna?
I don't have anything to say to him.
No. I have listened to your story. And I know how strongly you felt and still feels about him. You know, such feelings don't just disappear overnight.
Mama, it is not about the feelings. It is not about it at all, Mama. Mama Obinna lied to me. He lied to me. I don't think I can ever trust him again.
How would you know if you don't try? I know at the end of the day you will do what is right. But I want you to know this. Nothing worth having comes easy. I'm telling you out of experience. Oh,
Mama, what is it?
I invited him.
Your mother told me you're leaving.
Yes.
Where are you going to?
It's none of your business.
Baby, I wish there was a way that I could open my heart for you to see and know that I had no intention to hurt you. When I started coming to the shop pretending to be a driver, I had no idea that you were going to fall in love with me and that I would so helplessly lose my heart to you.
After I did, you still didn't tell me.
I was going to. I was. There was no way I would keep that a secret forever. Not if I wanted to spend the rest of my life with you.
How will we know? How am I supposed to know?
Baby, please. I beg you, I can't afford to lose you. I've never felt this way about anyone in my entire life. I take responsibility for what I did. I just want you to please forgive me and give me another chance. Give me a chance to make things right.
To be honest with you, I really don't know what to say. But all I know is that I need time and space. I need space to think about all these things and know what I want to do. But for now, please, I need you to leave me alone. I want to be alone.
Okay. If that's really what you want, then that's what I'll do. But please, if you need anything, if you ever need anything, don't hesitate to call me. Goodbye, Olanma.
Goodbye, Obinna.
So she insisted on going.
Yeah.
Well, it's one of those things. I must tell you that I'm really sorry the way things turned out. See, I believe that the love you have for each other will overshadow everything else.
Well, that's what I thought too. I guess I was wrong.
So, what do you want to do now?
Work.
No, that's not what I mean now. I'm talking about love. I mean love.
Love. My brother, after everything that I've just been through, in the hands of love, you're still talking about love. Isn't it obvious to you that I'm not lucky with love? It's just not my thing.
Oh, so what are you trying to say now?
I don't even know. Because I can't even confidently say that I'm giving up. That's the same nonsense I said last time, and 2 days later I was in love with Olanma. So I'm just...
It's fine. See, I wanted to ask you something. Are you sure you don't have a spiritual wife? Because I don't just understand all these things. Are you sure you don't have a spiritual wife?
Spiritual wife?
Yes.
Chidi. My goodness, where did that come from? A spiritual wife? I want to believe that's a joke. That's a joke, right?
It's not a joke to me. Just that I feel so helpless, you know.
You're helpless. No, you're not. Who is there?
Sir, now this your...
The past few weeks have been really rough for me without you. I do not want to spend another second without you. I love you. Even though...
I love you too. Thank you for forgiving me. I promise I will spend the rest of my life making you happy. I go love you. I go love you. I go love you. I go love you.